What's up, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best projectors on the market in 2022. I've made this list based on picture quality, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for something a bit more portable or the most premium projector you can currently get, I'll have the perfect projector for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Not everyone who's looking for a projector will need to spend thousands of dollars in order to get a great product for them. If you're looking for an inexpensive projector that has good picture quality, impressive durability, and enough brightness for home theater setups and backyard movie nights, the Veritech LumaVision Pro is my choice as the best budget projector in 2022. The LumaVision Pro is a great option because it can fit into nearly any budget and produces a stunning image that outperforms the price tag. It's also easy to move around and offers some solid features such as screen mirroring with your other devices. The projector has a relatively lightweight build at around 4 pounds, which means you should have no problem repositioning it or moving it around. It comes with a lens protector that keeps the glass free from smudges and scratches, and it has a durable lamp that's rated to last up to 20,000 hours. I like that it has a robust internal cooling system that remains relatively quiet while in use, so you can stay focused on your favorite content. The screen mirroring function is an excellent feature considering the price, and it allows you to stream movies, videos, or images from your smartphone or computer. Although you'll likely want to pick up a streaming stick because the screen mirroring can be a bit limited on this projector. It doesn't deliver the best picture quality on the market, but it has a native 1080p resolution that delivers a detailed, sharp image, accurate colors, and up to 6,000 lumens of brightness, which makes it an ideal choice for nearly any viewing environment or light level. Even more, it offers adjustable keystone corrections that allow you to properly align the image on most surfaces to reduce distortion and provide a better viewing experience. While it's unable to produce a stunning 4K image and immersive audio like the Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB we'll talk about later, it offers the best quality and user experience of a projector within the sub-$250 price range in my opinion. This is an ideal option if you're a casual viewer who just wants to watch movies at home or in your backyard with good all-around picture quality who doesn't want to spend a lot of money while still getting a solid product. For anyone who wants a projector that delivers a solid, detailed, and bright picture while gaming, streaming videos, or watching movies at a relatively affordable price, the BenQ HT2150ST is an excellent projector that performs well for under $1,000. Not everyone has thousands of dollars to spend on a projector. Although it costs quite a bit more than the LumaVision Pro, the BenQ's HT2150ST improves on the performance nearly across the board. It's a versatile option that performs well with almost any type of content, including games and movies. It also offers excellent picture quality, black levels, and brightness to improve your viewing experience. It has a relatively compact frame that only weighs around 7 pounds, so it's easy to move from room to room. It has an impressive built-in stereo sound system that consists of dual 10-watt speakers, which delivers solid sound quality and enough volume to fill a family room or for outdoor viewing. It comes with several inputs for your sources, including 2 HDMI ports, a VGA port, and an RS-232 input. I also like that it has a short throw distance to deliver a large picture in smaller rooms, and it has 20-degree vertical keystone corrections to increase placement flexibility. It doesn't deliver a stunning 4K image like the Epson 5050 UB, but it has a solid native 1080p resolution that produces a detailed image, accurate colors, and solid shadow details, which makes it ideal for casual users. It delivers 2200 ANSI lumens of brightness, so it can withstand some ambient background light without impacting picture quality. You get several different picture modes to optimize the image based on what you're watching, and while I would have liked to see HDR support, the 15,000:1 contrast ratio still delivers solid black and highlight levels. It also comes with a low 16 millisecond input lag, which makes it suitable for casual gaming. While it doesn't come with a native 4K resolution, it delivers an accurate, colorful, and detailed image that's ideal for casual viewing. It can bring your favorite movies and TV shows to life, and it's the ideal option if you want a projector that's portable, bright enough for most environments, and offers excellent value for a reasonable price. Some people might be looking for a projector that offers easy-to-use controls, several adjustable settings to dial in your preferred picture, and a crystal clear image. The Optima UHD 50X is my choice as the best projector for most people in 2022. Not everyone can afford a top-of-the-line projector, and the UHD 50X is a high-performance option that features a low input lag for gamers, solid color performance for watching content, and support for most advanced video formats, which makes it the ideal choice for almost any user. It has a powerful 250-watt lamp that can last a solid 4,000 hours on bright mode, 10,000 hours on eco mode, and 15,000 hours on dynamic mode, so you won't have to worry about replacing the bulb for a while. It's slightly heavier than the HT2150ST, but it only weighs around 9 pounds and is easy to lift. You also get a built-in 5-watt speaker that's fine for backyard movie nights, but it lacks the power and clarity to provide immersive audio. Even more, it has a 1.3 times digital zoom function, 5 to 15% vertical lens shift, and keystone correction, which means you get excellent placement flexibility. Like the Epson 5050UB, it has a 4K resolution that produces a crisp image, but it has a superior 3400 lumens of brightness that can stand up to some ambient light. It utilizes an updated DLP chip that doesn't have any light border issues, although it does produce some subtle rainbow artifacts at times. It also offers several adjustable picture modes, a dynamic black feature that adds more dimension to darker colors, and support for HDR10 and HLG content. Even more, you get an enhanced gaming mode function that reduces latency and screen tearing to provide a smoother experience. The Optima UHD 50X offers better picture quality than the previously mentioned options, and it's the best choice for most people because of its impressive performance with movies, video games, and TV shows. This is perfect for anyone that wants a versatile projector that can be used for almost anything or who values picture quality and wants comprehensive control over their image. Next up, we have a high-quality option that offers comparable performance to top-of-the-line models and a stunning 4K resolution that produces an outstanding lifelike picture. The Epson Home Cinema 5050UB is my choice as the best 4K projector in 2022. The Epson Home Cinema 5050UB is a high-performance projector that costs less than many premium TVs, and it has the perfect blend between picture quality, durability, price, and advanced technology to improve your image, which sets it apart from other high-end 4K projectors. It has a stylish design with sleek gold accents that provide a premium look, although it's relatively heavy at around 24 pounds and lacks an integrated handle. The rear panel has two HDMI inputs that run at 18 gigabits per second bandwidth and can accept 4K at 60 Hz signals, 3 USB ports for external devices, and VGA input to connect older devices. Unfortunately, it lacks a built-in sound system like the BenQ HT1250ST, but it can be paired with nearly any external speaker to provide immersive audio. It utilizes advanced 3LCD technology that produces a superior image to the previously mentioned options. It has a 4K resolution that delivers a sharp and detailed image with TV shows, movies, and video games. You also get an outstanding 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio, which is much higher than the Optima UHD 50X and delivers exceptional shadow details, bright highlights, and a less washed-out picture. It offers several image-enhancing features and real-time HDR curve adjustments to improve motion processing and color saturation, which is ideal for advanced users who want greater control. Even more, it offers a 2600 lumen brightness rating that can deliver an impressive picture with some ambient background light. While it doesn't offer the outstanding viewing experience and built-in surround sound of the Samsung LSP9T, it delivers an exceptionally clear picture and a range of adjustments that will satisfy most users. It has 4K enhancement technology that delivers a more detailed image than cheaper options, and it's an ideal choice for any serious users that have a high-quality home theater setup and want exceptional performance. If you're looking for the best of the best that can produce a large and lifelike picture from close range, the Samsung Premier LSP9T is my choice as the best ultra-short throw projector on the market in 2022. The Samsung Premier LSP9T offers exceptional all-around performance that outclasses other living room-friendly projectors. You get class-leading picture quality, a user-friendly operating system with some smart capabilities and generous app support, and a larger image than most premium TVs for a significantly lower price. It has a glossy finish that gives it a premium look and is smaller than many ultra-short throw competitors for better placement flexibility. It has a generous range of ports to connect external devices, including 3 HDMIs, an RF input with a digital TV tuner, an Ethernet port, and a powered USB port, although the small design can make it difficult to plug in thicker cables. Unlike the previously mentioned options, it runs Samsung's Tizen OS, which offers support for all the major streaming services, voice commands, and Android or Apple AirPlay. It has a powerful built-in 4.2.2 channel sound system that uses 40-watt speakers to provide clear and immersive surround sound. It has innovative triple laser technology that uses separate red, green, and blue lasers to deliver a pure, clear image with no rainbow artifacts, although very dark scenes can occasionally look somewhat gray. It produces a high-resolution and textured 4K picture with a heightened contrast, and it supports HDR10+ content, which isn't the case with the Epson Home Cinema 5050UB. The ultra-short throw capabilities can give you a surprisingly large 130-inch picture from relatively close distances, or you can opt for a 120-inch model to save some money. While the price is likely too expensive for most people, it delivers a class-leading viewing experience and excellent placement flexibility, which makes it ideal for serious viewers or high-quality home theater setups. If you're looking for a projector that offers a superior picture to the less expensive models we mentioned, a powerful built-in audio system that produces stunning sound, and an intuitive user interface, this might be the best option. If you'd like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Links to all the products we talked about are in the description below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.